We use OrgVue to model data-driven organisation designs quickly and easily, and we use it at Change Associates in 3 key ways: to load and cleanse data, to visualise and analyse data, and to model and refine data. And you can see here that you can add any kind of information about your roles, your people and your processes. And to create an org chart, it's really simple. You come onto this tree view here, and straight away in this example we can see the first 3 levels of an organisation. And there are a number of different ways that you can view your org charts, from icon, or let's look at a scaled org chart now. And this scaled org chart allows you to make comparisons across the organisation. So what this is showing us now is that this total organisation has a cost of 73.8 million. We can see the comparison across the executive team here and the roles that report into them. And if we need to make changes to our data, we can really quickly make those by dragging and dropping. We can see here that the COO is incorrectly reporting into the executive assistant. So let's change that now. And here they're now correctly reporting into the CEO, and that's reflected across our data set. And we can also add colour to our org charts. Let's add colour by department now, and this really adds another dimension to the data. And if we wanted to now export these, we can do that by PDF, PowerPoint, or we can email as well. So coming on to analysing our as-is organisation, there are a number of charts in OrgVue that help us to quickly understand our current organisation. And we can have a look at that by, in this case, we're looking at our payroll costs by department. We could have a look at FTE. We could have a look at number of roles by each department as well. And you can see, if you come onto this dashboard view here, that there are lots of different types of reports that are inbuilt into OrgVue. But what we want to look at next is how we can model our organisation and reflect new scenarios. So to do this, you can see what we've done is we've made a branch. So this data set is linking back to our baseline data. So as we make changes in our data set, we can then track those changes and understand the impact. So let's make a change now. Let's move the head of research so that they report into the COO. So again, we simply drag and drop. And we want to reduce some cost in that area of the organisation. So we're going to delete 2 program managers. And to do that, we simply drag and drop to delete. And to understand the impact of those changes now, we'll come back to our dashboard view and have a quick look at our changes report. And that's telling us here that by making those changes, we've removed 163 roles and we've made a total payroll cost saving of £11 million. And as we can scroll down, we can see the impact by each role in the organisation. And OrgVue also allows you to look at the connections between people and processes. And we'll come on to that next. See our longer video for more detail.